why the Sofreh in Persian culture is not just a table for food? It's a story of kindness and connection, linking generations together. If you'd like to discover more about this beautiful tradition, make sure to subscribe and watch till the end. Did you know that in Persian culture, the Sofreh is not just about food? It's a symbol of hospitality, generosity, and spiritual connection, a tradition that brings people together. There are many different kinds of Sofreh in Iranian culture. The Sofreh Ard, spread during wedding ceremonies, celebrates the union of two souls. The Sofreh Nذری, prepared for religious offerings, shares food with the community as an act of charity. If you'd like to learn more about Persian culture and traditions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch till the end.